How to add Copilot on VS Code. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily do that. So the first thing you're going to have to do is open up your Visual Studio Code on your PC. And then on the left side, you're going to have to go to the Extensions tab. Click on it, then simply go ahead and search for Copilot. Hit enter, and you will see the Copilot extension right here. Click on it, and then simply install the Copilot. Now, once you open up the installed extension, just go ahead and click on sign in to use Copilot, and then simply sign in using your account. Now you can ask for different kind of codes to debug and other stuff. You could use the AI assistant Copilot for your stuff. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you on the next one.